importance of Jaideep Sahni in this film as well. I think the writing is very quirky.
So real, so quirky, interesting and entertaining at the same time.
जो है साफ बता रहा हूँ, अट्रैक्शन है और बहुत तेज वाला अट्रैक्शन है, कंट्रोल के बाहर. So please just elaborate on that. जिस तरीके से आपने वो कहा है, मतलब सारी आपकी जो उमंगे and everything is just coming out very very lucidly in that.
तो मुझे लगता है कि यही फिल्म की खासियत है. जिस तरीके से हम फिल्म बनाते हैं, बहुत ही एस्पिरेशनल लव स्टोरी बनाते हैं, और हम वो फिल्म, हमारे जो आइडियाज़ हैं रोमांस को लेके, वो हमारी फिल्मों से आते हैं.
Enjoy the entire experience of telling that to a guy.
हाँ, फुल ऑन मैंने ऐसे बताया नहीं है किसी को रियल लाइफ में. रियल लाइफ में जरूर.
रियल लाइफ में आप मेरे साथ आप डेटिंग करना चाहती हैं. That's what you've been telling
डेटिंग करना चाहती हूँ. मैंने कहा मैं
कर नहीं पा रही.
मिल नहीं रहा है. That's a very.
मैं मजबूर हूँ.
I think that's the beauty of this character, you know. He's very upfront. At the same time, he's very honest, and he just wants to make sure that the girl he's dating is the right girl for him.
It was amazing to see that there were two such different tracks in the same album. You know, Tere Mere Beech Mein is completely different.
Hi, this is Vani Kapoor.
Hi, this is Sushant Singh Rajput.
Hi, this is Pariniti Chopra,
And you're watching Bollywood Hungama.
जो है उसमें खुश रहो, ज़्यादा पतंगे मत उड़ाओ. Well, that's one of the very very quirky dialogues from Shuddh Desi Romance that I've been just observing since morning because while doing my research, and we have this the very very young and vibrant team of Shuddh Desi Romance, Pariniti Chopra, Sushant Singh, and Vani Kapoor. Wonderful to have you guys on Bollywood Hungama.
Thank you.
All right, so पतंगे किस तरीके की आप उड़ाने को मना कर रहे हैं? प्लीज जरा थोड़ा इलाबोरेट करें.
दिल की पतंगे और बातों की पतंगे जो सुशांत का कैरेक्टर कर रहा था उस सीन में. तो मैं उसको बोल रही थी ज़्यादा पतंगे मत उड़ाओ. ये सब मैं देख चुकी हूँ लाइफ में.
Right. Okay. Importance of Jaideep Sahni in this film as well. I think the writing is very quirky. Be it the lyrics as well as the dialogues. I think that is not the usual. So something about the writing of Jaideep Sahni, if you can start with.
I think he's done a fabulous job as always, and he has done a lot of research. He understands the psychology of today's generation so well, and he's come up with something which is so real, so quirky, interesting, and entertaining at the same time.
Right.
So yes, we have high hopes for the film.
Right, because in fact the promo starts off with your dialogue that friendship नहीं करनी मुझे तुमसे और ना ही भाई बनना है. You know, that भाई thing is very important. जो है साफ बता रहा हूँ, अट्रैक्शन है और बहुत तेज वाला अट्रैक्शन है, कंट्रोल के बाहर.
फ्रेंडशिप नहीं करनी चाहिए तुमसे और ना ही भाई बनना है. जो है साफ बता रहा हूँ, अट्रैक्शन है और बहुत तेज वाला अट्रैक्शन है, कंट्रोल के बाद.
So please just elaborate on that. जिस तरीके से आपने वो कहा है, मतलब सारी आपकी जो उमंगे and everything is just coming out very very lucidly in that.
जी, और मुझे लगता है कि यही फिल्म की खासियत है. जिस तरीके से हम फिल्म बनाते हैं, बहुत ही एस्पिरेशनल लव स्टोरी बनाते हैं, और हम वो फिल्म, हमारे जो आइडियाज़ हैं रोमांस को लेके, वो हमारी फिल्मों से आते हैं. तो हम हमेशा ऐसा देखते हैं कि यार काश ऐसा हो, लेकिन ऐसा होता नहीं. जनरली जिस तरीके से हम कॉन्वर्सेशन रखते हैं या करते हैं, वो बहुत ही अलग होता है और बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग होता है अपने तरीके से. तो ये सारे जो कैरेक्टर्स हैं, ये बहुत ही ऑनेस्ट हैं दिल के, और जो है दिल में वो बता देते हैं. वो जो प्रोटोकॉल्स फॉलो नहीं करते किस तरीके से करते हैं. तो जो मेरा कैरेक्टर रघु का है, वो भी इसी तरीके का है, और जो है साफ सच्चा साफ जो भी है दिल में बता देता है.
Fantastic. किस विस करनी थी तो बोलने की हिम्मत तो रखते. क्या जरूरत है इतनी बड़ी बड़ी छोड़ने की? Now that's how you are introduced in the movie. Nice way to start off actually.
किस विस ही करनी थी तो बोलने की हिम्मत तो रखते. क्या जरूरत है इतनी बड़ी बड़ी छोड़ने की?
And enjoy the entire experience of telling that to a guy.
हाँ, फुल ऑन मैंने ऐसे बताया नहीं है किसी को रियल लाइफ में. रियल लाइफ में जरूर.
रियल लाइफ में आप मेरे साथ आप डेटिंग करना चाहती हैं. That's what you've been telling
डेटिंग करना चाहती हूँ. मैंने कहा मैं
कर नहीं पा रही.
देखो रोका हुआ है, मैं मजबूर हूँ. No, nothing like that. अब डेटिंग करने के लिए भी तो कोई अच्छा मिलना चाहिए ना.
सही बात. I've heard that so many times before.
From me or
that's the truth.
From generally people.
From generally,
yeah.
but that is the fact. That is true.
Right.
पर हाँ, it was fun saying it on real.
तो आप अपनी लिस्ट बताइए कि आप क्या क्या चाहती हैं.
नहीं बता सकती हैं बिल्कुल.
है कि नहीं?
See, there are days when I would want a Bradley Cooper. Then there are days कि भाई ज़मीन पे ही रहते हैं. कोई you know, we can't have such high expectations for this thing. But I have a very basic thing, you know, whatever personality, charismatic हो, अच्छी personality हो, शक्ल पे I don't really bank on कि, you know, I'm not that shallow. So,
but शक्ल पे जाने में क्या बुराई है?
तो मैं नहीं, I think decent.
उन्होंने कहा attraction part definitely plays a big role.
Attraction important है, but for me attraction is more from the personality and, you know, the charm that a person carries.
Right.
More than looks. So
Okay, so do you feel that maybe a girl who finds like a good-looking boys attractive, so they are like they're not shallow, they're like
No, yeah.
Exactly.
Sometimes really good-looking men are really. I think the basically
It's a
the myth, and it is a myth that good-looking men are not emotional and very emotional or down to earth. Good guys are not good-looking.
Right.
It depends. Yeah. Sometimes you can be very good-looking and you can be a really great guy. But वो हमें मिलता नहीं है यार बहुत आसानी से, इसलिए हम ये कह रहे हैं.
तो मैं और परिणीति थोड़ा वेट कर रहे हैं for the better ones to come.
पिक्चर
Right,
रिलीज
but-
हुए फिर हम 10 दिन
Exactly.
ऑफ लेने वाले ताकि हम जाके लड़का
ढूंढने
ढूंढें.
जाए हाँ.
Okay, but in the movie, the mystery part is that you are with both of them, like either Tere Bere Beech में or Gulabi. So what exactly is happening over there? Like you are what some would say best of having both the worlds actually somewhere.
Yeah, and
You're with Rishi ji also.
I'm with Rishi ji also.
Rishi, very interesting stuff in fact.
There's 3 romantic stories going on. I think that's the beauty of this character, you know.
तुम लोग भागते बहुत हो, फिर एक दूसरे के पीछे भागते हो, फिर एक दूसरे से दूर भागते हो. अब भागते ही रहोगे, कभी ठहरोगे भी.
He's very upfront. At the same time, he's very honest, and he just wants to make sure that the girl he's dating is the right girl for him. And he mostly in doing so he gets himself in trouble most of the times. So just in that process, पहले गायत्री मिलती है और उसके बाद तारा मिलती है और दोनों ही बहुत खूबसूरत अपनी
So
अपनी.
is it going simultaneously or like how's it placed in fact?
That's the secret. We
That's the
must
secret. First half, second half types.
Smart.
All right, now तेरे मेरे बीच में I think very quirky lyrics. तेरे मेरे बीच में क्या है चद्दर खद्दर की अरमा है रेशम की. I think a beautiful expression actually, a very unique expression as well. I think that's why I think Jaideep comes into the picture as well.
Yeah.
That is enjoyed that entire experience.
Oh yeah, for sure. Jaideep has written, all our characters, so he knows us so well that obviously nobody else can write lyrics better than him for these characters. That is why Tere Mere Beech Mein and Gulabi are so different also, because they are 2 different worlds, 2 different chapters, 2 different girls with the same guy. So the way to describe them had to be very stark. So yeah, it was amazing to see that there were 2 such different tracks in the same album.
Right.
Tere Mere Beech Mein is completely different, and it was fun shooting it also. We did it with Brinda ji, who does a lot of South Indian films, and she and Manish together were choreographing us, and then of course Ganesha Chari did the title track. But it was so much fun because we used to create moments on set. वो अंडे बन रहे हैं या कूलर साफ हो रहा है या चाय
Yeah, the
पी
cooler
जा रही है.
bit, that small town, seriously.
Yeah.
Cooler bit, yeah.
Yeah.
No,
So,
absolutely.
It's not a small town thing. I think it's a middle class thing.
But it's more small. Where do you find that in Mumbai generally?
I'm
Coolers?
just-
I mean, middle class
Delhi
people
में,
in Mumbai also.
Delhi it's there, but Mumbai I have not seen coolers. I don't know. Somehow.
Yeah, there are.
There are?
Yeah. It's got nothing to do with the city. It's got to do with what you can afford. If you can't afford an air conditioner, then you'll use a cooler. So it's a very middle class thing for sure, and it's a very real moment that happens in couples' lives. So
Right.
it was fun going to set every day and thinking of new moments together, and it was fun.